part of my journey.
So nag-materialize na yung event na pinatay namin last time.
Hindi mo may expect namin. Hi guys! Welcome to our home. Home for the weekend guys. Kasi pre-birthday celebration ni Cody. Kasi August, diba? So ayun guys, ang ganda dito. Actually, second time namin pumunta ni Love dito sa Astoria Plaza. Kasi yung last time, February, no, right? Galing kami dito. I-explain na namin mamaya kung bakit kami dito ulit. So, pagpasok nyo, ayan, may dining table agad, tapos may free fruits sila, and ayan, may living area sila. Ayan. So, sobrang comfy nito guys, as in. Ayan. Tapos, yung TV nila, may Netflix, may YouTube, basta yan, may cable, ayan, si Cody. Happy yan.
Wow, sila.
And one bedroom lang guys, kasi ito, one bedroom suite. So, dito muna tayo. So, ito next. Yung kitchen.
Wow.
Kitchen, ayan. And then, kumpleto sila ha. Kumpleto. Kasi may microwave, may kettle, ayan, may lutuan. Basta alam niyo na yun sa kitchen, kumpleto sila. And, yung bedroom.
Ang ganda naman dito.
Ayan. Queen size bed. Ang galing, no? And mamaya, papakita ko sa inyo yung view paggabi na kasi maganda yung view. Kasi nga hindi ko ma-appreciate. So, ito yung bathroom. Ayan. Maganda din, malinis. Sobrang linis. Ayan, the usual. Ayan, tapos may TV. And may, mga, ang tawag dito, love? Tawag dito. Parang pwede ka mag-work
Yeah, desk
pa
lang.
dito, working area ng desk. Ayan. Nilagyan na ng luggage. Ayun, malaki siya. So far, sa lahat ng mga na-check in namin, ito yung pinaka-gusto namin kasi malaki siya.
So far, and hopefully ma-check natin yung abangan nila for next year.
Yes.
With you, you'll be
Hi guys! 4:30 na pala. Ayun, kain tayo sushi bake. Medyo low energy, no? Low energy. Low energy ako, guys. Kasi nung diba, nung Friday, tapos Sunday, gumala. So, gabi na kami nakauwi ng Sunday. Then during concert, siguro mga kalagitnaan na medyo nararamdaman ko na hindi na ako okay. Nahirapan ako. So, yun, tas kinabukasan, ayun na, nag-start siya ng umaga. Dinagnat na ako hanggang gabi, hanggang ilang araw. Hanggang until now, hindi pa, medyo nagre-recover pa. Kasi gusto ko ituloy talaga to kasi nga kay Cody. Kasi nakaset na to. So, yun, medyo dapat, hindi mo na masyadong magsasalita kasi nga, ayun, nahirapan ako kasi yung sa asthma, yung ubo, buti wala na akong sipon. Uy, magsalita ka naman.
Ay, sorry.
Ayun, di nyo ako dinalaw kasi busy siya sa work.
Wow. Sorry naman.
Ano?
Paano ba yung payment? Sorry guys. So try to may sasign lang. Wait lang.
Sarap. Nagbe-bake kasi yung office mate ni Rai. Ang bake sushi. Ang sarap guys, sobra. Kaya mamaya lalabas na lang kami sa dinner. Tapos bukas, may breakfast buffet naman kami hanggang Sunday. And then, bukas may mga errands kami para kay Cody din yun. So, bukas malalaman niya na kung saan kami pupunta. Around BGC lang. So,
So, check nyo na yung order namin.
hindi pa cut to.
Okay lang. May pupuntahan na kami bukas. And doon, may tatry kami na
Hindi ko ika-cut to guys.
doon na kainan sa BGC. So, magawa nyo yung bukas. Kaso lang tuloy ako. Para sa walang cut.
Para sa kaepalan.
Sa kaya pala na. Cheers. Cheers. Okay.
Sarap.
Masarap siya with Nori. So yun guys, bababa muna ako in 3 minutes.
Nakasama kasi hindi ako pwede maglakad.
I just buy some medicines for us like antihistamines. Doon ako bibili sa Watson. Sa Watson.
Actually, gumamit akong inhaler kahapon.
So, saan ako bibili na ng cetirizine?
Cetirizine. Yung Robitussin ko. Yung Robitussin kahit maliit lang.
Then sa Mercury, some tubig siguro doon. Kasi Mercury. Meron ba sa
Spine kayo ako nito.
Alam ko, baka may bahay data yun eh. Ano naman? Pero pwede naman. Kaya
Laying low, no place to go. Sunlight dances through the window. Lazy haze fills up the room. Got no plans, just me and you.
good evening guys! Astoria, our home for the weekend.
Yes.
So, punta lang kami ng estancia. Lakarin lang namin.
Grab dinner.
Check namin, first time namin makakapunta doon. Alright. Hi, we're here sa estancia. Outside, ayan. First time namin, together with Cody. Ayan, Capital Commons. So, I think it is one of a good place dito sa Pasig. Hanap lang kami ng makakainan.
I hear the beat, it's in my chest. Got me feeling some kind of way. I confess the rhythm takes over, no room to rest. My heart's dancing, it's a love conquest. Oh, the melody, it's smooth and sweet.
Korean hotdog, pero we end up here. Saya lang. Nagre-reminisce kami nila. Sinishare namin kay Cody yung mga nakainan namin. Ito kami sa Rotsa. Alright. Singaporean Malaysia. Beef rendang. Pork satay. Poker chick combo.
Uy, parang sarap ng pulpul.
Thai green curry. Thai green. Chicken Thai green curry. Alright, let's see. Roti shop. So, combination siya ng Singaporean, Malaysian. Last na kain namin sa may Lalakwet. So, yun nga, pinatry namin si Cody para ma-expose siya sa mga different cuisines. Ayun, no? So, Cody is having a beef rendang. Then, we have yung poker chips combo. And pork satay. And yung Thai green chicken curry. Yun lang. So, kain muna kami. After kain, ano yung hawak mo yun? Double trouble? Pagod na yan. Spaghetti. We're here at Unimarket. Yeah.
Hey guys! Good evening! Late evening na. So, hindi na kami nakapag-vlog pag uwi here kasi nag-shower agad kami. Kasi nag-dinner na kami sa estancia. And, ayun, may coffee. Sila lamig na lamig. Oh, ayun si Cody. Oh. Kaliligo lang. So, manonood kami ng Netflix. Yung The Kid, ano yun? Lola and the Kid. So, maganda daw yun, guys. Wait lang, mamaya mo na yung start. So, mag-watch lang kami, guys. Ilang hours to? 1 hour 37 minutes lang. Ayun. Watch lang kami, mag-bonding lang kami here.
Oh, babe. Lost in the sound, my worries fade. Every note, every chord, a serenade with each beat of the drum. My spirit's unchained in the symphony of love. I am unafraid, yeah, it's pumping so loud. It's the rhythm of love, baby, that I found when the music plays. I just can't help but sway. Nothing else matters. It's my heart that obeys. Obeys. Lost in the sound, my worries fade. Every note, every chord, a serenade with each beat of the drum. My spirit's unchained in the symphony of love. I am unafraid, yeah, it's pumping so loud. It's the rhythm of love, baby, that I found when the music plays. I just can't help but sway. Nothing else matters. It's my heart that obeys. Obeys. Lost in the sound, my worries fade. Every note, every chord, a serenade with each beat of the drum. My spirit's unchained in the symphony of love. I am unafraid, yeah, it's pumping so loud. It's the rhythm of love, baby, that I found when the music plays. I just can't help but sway.
pa nga eh.
Sabi ko eh. Gusto ko lang naman manood, pero bakit nakakaiyak?
JK.
Tsaka Joel Torre yan, guys. Kaya wala talaga. Iyak
Hindi, nagulat ako kay JK.
Tapos na.
Strawberry on my lips and sugar fingertips. I can feel the beat running through the speakers. Blue skies, blue waves every day.